Many people who garden and plant flowers take the plant out of the pot and throw the plastic away. Our new product reduces this waste of plastic and uses newspaper instead of plastic. Are you sick and tired of buying plants and throwing their useless plastic pots away, knowing that you're hurting our environment? So aren't we, and that's why we're here today.
This is a solution to that problem: newspaper pots. These pots are cheap to manufacture due to their reuse of material. They're convenient in the sense that you don't have to remove the plant from the plastic pot. To plant, you simply place your flower or greenery in the ground where you desire while still inside the newspaper, as newspapers are biodegradable and eco-friendly. This also avoids any mess of soil that would occur from taking the plant out of the plastic pots.
Due to contrary belief, being green is not always expensive. Our newspaper pots are made of cheaper, reused material, allowing manufacturing costs to be significantly lower than their counterparts. This allows big box stores like Lowe's and Home Depot to charge less for their products. Although the stores will charge less for the products, the percentage of money that goes towards the production of the pots will be donated towards the Worldwide Fund for Nature Foundation to contribute to other efforts to make a cleaner planet.
These pots can not only be used for gardening at home, but also can be planted in large areas such as parks, schools, and other community gardens. Also, one doesn't have to buy a plant from a store. If they buy seeds for plants or vegetables, they can easily make the pot themselves.
To make the pot, we took a couple pieces of newspaper and folded them to form the correct height and size of the plant. After that, we curled the edges and hot glue gummed them to the side of the pot. Without having to cut any parts of the newspaper and simply folding, we created the pot so it has a bottom. They are so simple to make. Who wouldn't want to make this transition?
We're here today to demonstrate how to plant our flower pot. First, you dig a hole like so. Next, you place the plant in the hole. Instead of using the plastic pot, which you would take the flower out of and throw the plastic away, you leave the plant in the newspaper, causing less of a mess and a more biodegradable way to plant. Next, you bury the plant. And now, instead of having the plastic to throw away, the plant is in the ground with the newspaper, and the newspaper will biodegrade.
And here's our final product, our newspaper pots. Over time, our pots will biodegrade themselves into the earth, creating a simple and easy alternative to plastic pots.
Making these pots, our goal is to have everyone make the transition from throwing away plastic pots and hurting our environment to burying their plants in the ground with newspaper and helping our environment by having them be biodegradable. We also hope that name brand stores will begin to use our idea and lessen the production of plastic and reuse the newspapers that people no longer need